This video is sponsored by RoadFlex, the smartest fuel card and expense management platform for fleets. To view assets in MyGeotab, click this Assets button. The columns in this list are movable, so you can reorganize them to fit your needs. You can also add extra columns or remove ones that are not relevant to you here, and you can always click Reset to Default if you've rearranged things too much and prefer to go back to your original view. Assets are usually displayed with only active ones showing, but you can use the filter option here to show assets that are active or were recently archived, any units that have devices attached to them that have been terminated so that they no longer send data, or all assets regardless of their status. Here we have an active vehicle that has reported its status today, a vehicle that was archived on October 31st, and a piece of untracked equipment. We can use this dropdown to show only certain types of assets. We can sort our assets by a number of different properties, and we can view installation history here. Report lists different reports available to download from this page, and here's where you can go to add new assets, which we'll cover in another video.